Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos of El Tucanazo, which are on the Uke Play-Along channels, which is the sister channel to this channel. So what we're going to do in this video, first of all, is we're going to look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit. If you like the song and you want a chord sheet, you can find the chord chart or tabs on my website at UkeStuff.info. Just go to the chord chart or tabs page and look alphabetically for El Tucanazo. Additionally, if you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. It's in the key of F, and there are 2 chords. You have the F chord and the C7 chord. Now, ultimately, a lot of music educators, I'm a music educator myself who teaches ukulele, they teach songs with F and C7. There's not a whole lot of them to choose from, but they start with those chords because they're pretty easy to move back and forth from another, but then it's really hard to build other songs with those chords because generally you end up needing a B flat later to play in the key of F, right? But there are some songs like this one, like El Tucanazo, which only uses the F and the C7. And that's it. That's all you need to play El Tucanazo on soprano, concert, tenor, GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone. For baritone DGBE ukulele, what we have here are 2 chords. We're now in the key of E, and you're going to play the E chord and the B7 chord. And I love the B7 chord because it feels so good to play. I rotate my wrist a little bit. I put my first finger down and the other 2 fingers down past it. And that's really comfortably to play. And those are the chords you need to play El Tucanazo on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, let's keep it simple. And incidentally, I found this song because it is a song that's used by some teachers as a brain break for their students with a dancing Tyrannosaurus Rex to the song El Tucanazo. But you can do just quarter notes. Or just down strums. You could do that. You could also try to do the fancy rhythm that you hear with like the guira or the shakers, and they're going. I wouldn't recommend it. It's really busy and be hard to do that for the whole song. What I would just do is down, up, down, up. Of course, that's on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Let me pull out baritone and play it in the key of E. So here it is on baritone ukulele. Yeah, some things don't have to be super complicated. Just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up is going to work really well with the song. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this tutorial for El Tucanazo. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.